I know that everybody has a different answer to this, but what does Zen mean to you?
Hmm. Um, I think Zen is, to me, for my life, is the embodiment of the teachings through the breath. The embodiment of the teachings through the breath. So I feel it's a body practice, whereas people come in trying to intellectualize Zen, and you can go so many places if you research and read. If you intellectualize it. So if it's an embodied practice, and I saw that right away, through the practitioners, um, then uh, then it is connected to how you're breathing and how you're walking. So to me, it's definitely the embodied practice of the breath, and then it's actually you can actually see how you're doing by taking on some activities like calligraphy or tea or just using any of the forms that are presented to you to see how you breathe and what happens to you when the mind interrupts the natural flow of the body and of the being, of who we are as human beings. So, how you can actually see how the mind interrupts and creates um, a lot of the suffering that we have on a daily basis, the daily suffering.